Well, I get my knife out, and if you're wondering why, got me a package. Remember the little soldering station I ordered online? I made a video called Dirt Cheap Soldering Station, and it's only been probably 4 or 5 days and it's here, so I'm going to just open her up, and I'm going to open it up from the bottom because my shipping information and all that stuff's on the other side, so I'll try to open it so it's on camera here. What the heck is that? Oh. Now my son messaging me on Facebook, so anyway, I'll try to open her up and try not to cut anything. The box is pretty light, so I'm expecting something that's probably not that great, but what are you gonna do? It was only 20 bucks. We have, if I can get it out of here, a box inside of a box. And a whole bunch of that stuff. And a sticker. If you want to scan that, I don't know if you'll be able to or not, but give her a go. Yeah, she's pretty small by the looks of things, but it's better than what I had. It's got to be better than what I had. So the packaging's kind of cheesy a little bit, but oh well, not a big deal. I don't care as long as it'll solder a wire or solder a component. And they get that in there pretty good. Get out of there. That's pretty solid. Got a little bit of weight to it. Well, that's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. A little soldering iron. Grip's pretty good and stuff. I don't think there's anything else. Instructions. Nothing too major, and a little puny sponge. I was hoping there'd be a couple more tips with it, but not a big deal. You can buy them online, so basically that's what you get. Plastic, really light and stuff, but like I said, it's better than what I had, and I'll test it out, and I'll get back to you guys and tell you if I think it's any good.